So what's up guys, welcome back to my another video. So in this video I have some questions for Q&A. So I uploaded this video where I asked you some questions and I got some questions, and also I asked some question on my Instagram and I also got some questions there. So today I will be answering all of them. So let's get started. So before starting the Q&A, I wanna give you some quick information about my channel, quick updates. So I did a poll on my Instagram, two polls. The one poll was, should I make my subscriptions public, and the second poll was, should I start a Patreon. So both of them were yes. So what I did, I just started a Patreon. So that is not complete yet. I have to upload some photos and a video and something else there. So that will be completed in 1 week. I will complete my Patreon in 1 week. So the basic things that I want to tell you guys about my Patreon is that so I will have 3 categories. So for the first category, what you could do for the first category, you have to pay $1. So for $1 you will get some amazing Patreon content. So the Patreon content that I will upload, you can get that in $1, and you can also ask me anything and I will reply to that. We can chat together. So that's the benefit of the $1. And also I will be giving you some updates related cubing and my channel and everything, first there and then in my YouTube channel. So $1, that's very little amount. You can just pay and be a member of my channel, Patreon. So the second category is for $2. So for $2, what I will do, you will be featured at the end of my every video. So every single video that I will publish in every social media platform, your name will be there. So you will be featured at my every single video at the end. So $2 and also all the previous things. So that's nice. You can pay $2. That's a very little amount. And at last we have the third and last category. So the third category, you have to pay $3. That is a bit more, but also not that much. So for $3 you will get a critique. Okay, so I uploaded this critique video of Cuber guy. So so he uploaded this video from Brody the Cuber, critique from Brody the Cuber. So I just told him that okay, I'll critique you. So I thought it will be easy, but it wasn't easy. It was so difficult to critique a person that it took me 1 week to make one single video for a critique. So that's a lot of pain. So I thought you can pay $3 and I'll critique you 100%. I'll critique you. So $3 and the critique. So hope you guys like my Patreon account. So you can just check out patreon.com/missionwr. That will be there, but that is not finished, 100% not finished. So I will be just doing some things on that, and after 1 week, I think 1 week, the Patreon will be ready. So hope you guys like that. On to the Q&A. So the first question is asked by Just Cosmic Cubing. So Just Cosmic Cubing asked that, would you ever consider doing FMC? So I don't think so anytime soon, because that take a lot of effort to I have to learn various methods of doing that. So I am currently not doing that, but probably in the future I may consider that, but not anytime soon. The second question is asked by Boy T Cubes. So I hope that I pronounced that correctly. So he asked that what helps you to continue cubing. So the passion that I have for cubing forced me to continue it and forced me to make YouTube videos. So again, third question is asked from Kylen Young. So I hope that I pronounced it correctly. He asked 2 questions. The first is, if you can have any cube, what would it be? I think so it will be a 1 million by 1 million. So the another question asked by him is, how did you started cubing? So basically what happened that during September or November, there was an annual function in my school. So it happens yearly, so annually. So there was an annual function. So there was a play in which one of my friends that goes home with me on bus from bus. So I go school from bus because my school is very far away. So so in the play there was a scene of a classroom. So in the classroom, some children are doing something, some children are doing something. So he was in that scene and he was just messing around a Rubik's cube. So actually he did not know how to solve it, but just for the play, he had a Rubik's cube. So the teacher told him that you can perform this type of role. So then he brought the cube to the school for the practice. So one of my another friend who goes with me from the school bus, I'm not gonna take the names. So he told that he knows how to solve the Rubik's cube, not entirely, but something he knows a bit of some concepts for like making the cross or something. I didn't knew that much at that time. So I thought it would be great if I started learning, if I could learn how to solve this thing. So I took his cube, and I took his cube on Friday, and then there was a 2-day holiday, Saturday and Sunday, and then Monday was school. So I thought in these 2 days I can learn how to solve it. So it was scrambled up cube. So I went upon a tutorial and watched a very bad tutorial. I don't know why I watched that. Why don't I watch a JPM video? I don't know. So I watched so you should know that I'm Indian and I speak Hindi. So I watched a Hindi tutorial how to solve a Rubik's cube, an Indian guy. So he was very bad, and I solved it, and then I slowly started to learn it, and that's how I got into cubing. So that was a very long process. So that was not like many children who gets a cube in Christmas and just do all that thing. So the next the question is asked by BC Cubing. So the question is many questions. Who is your favorite cuber? So I'm not sure you are asking about YouTubers or speed cubers. So if I have to choose from both of the categories, so from speed cubers, I will choose Felix Zembix. Can't pronounce that really. So I like him. I like his solves very much because he uses GAN and I use his GAN, and I love GAN. He loves GAN. So and from YouTubers, I probably say like Pseudo Cuber from Daily Puzzles sponsorship, and JPUM from Speedcube Shop, and Cubehead from the Cubicle.us. So if I have to pick between these three, I would pick I think JPUM because he is nice, and the second choice will go to Suzo Cuber, and the third choice will go to this guy. What is his name? Cubehead. So and the next question is asked by Speedy. So he asked RS3M 2020 or GEMS. So I thought like when RS3M was not introduced to me, I thought like GEMS was the best budget cube ever. But when RS3M 2020 came, everyone was blown up by this. Like a $9 cube has a dual adjustment system of Moyo's flagship cubes like the WRM and the GTS 3M. So I was very amazed, and if I have to pick between those two, I will definitely go for the RS3M 2020. Another question asked by Speedy is main 3x3. So as I told, I love GANs, so I have the flagship GAN cube, which is obviously the GAN XS. So the GAN 356 XS, and 3x3 and 2x2 average. So I average around 20 seconds in 3x3 and around 7 seconds on 2x2. Another question asked by Joshia Cubiz. His first question is Speed Cube Shop, the Cubicle, or Daily Puzzles? Okay, this answer is going to be long. So my opinion on this will be like, see, Daily Puzzles does not have their own loop system. Cubicle has a variety of loop system, and Speedcube Shop is like, it has many options, but it is not too much options, so you can't get confused in Speedcube Shop. So I would say I will not go for Daily Puzzles because they don't have a loop system, and they don't reply to my emails, and they don't reply to me my DMs on Instagram. So as per between the Cubicle and Speedcube Shop, so Daily Puzzles is my third preference, and between Speedcube Shop and the Cubicle, I will choose Speedcube Shop because they have a nice loop system, which is like this cosmic loop, solar, lunar, and nebula, Martian, and that all stuff. So I like them, and also I like them that how they respond to every email and every DM that I send to them. So the next question is favorite YouTuber. So as I said, my favorite YouTuber would be J-Pong and Chi or Moyo. So that is also a big topic. So Chi produced some nice cubes and Moyu produced some budget cubes. So I like the X-Men Bell V2 from the Chi. I really liked it, and an unboxing video and review video will be coming soon. And or of Moyu, they produce very nice budget cubes. So if I have to go with any of these, I will probably go with the Moyu because they have a variety of good cubes, so I can probably choose from them. Next question is by Cuba Guy. When did you start cubing? When did you learn CFOP? If ever, what do you average? So I started cubing in December. Try saying December in Indian accent. December. That is an Indian accent. So in December, I started cubing, and then I learned CFOP in probably late March. I think I fully learned CFOP in late March. And my average, as I said earlier, I am currently averaging around 20 seconds. Next question is asked by Sudocuber. Yes, Sudocuber asked me a question. Why do you enjoy speed cubing and continue to do it? So I enjoy speed cubing because it's fun, and it's really fun, nothing else. And continue to do it. I like to speed cube. So by speed cubing, you are not frustrated, and that's the basic point why everybody continues to speed cube. And the another question is asked by Cube Mode On from Instagram is and also like he's on YT. Your age means when did you start cubing? Favorite speed cuber, favorite YouTuber. So my age is currently 12. My birthday is on 21st of August, and I will turn 12 on August 21st August. My birthday is coming soon, and a birthday special video is also coming soon. Mains. So for 3x3, I have the GAN XS. For 2x2, I have the GAN 251M, and I only have those two good cubes, and the other are some budget cubes. Like I have a Pyramix for $2 or $3. I don't know that I got that. And I have a really bad 4x4 and a really bad cube for I think $2-3. So I will not include that. I also don't know the name. That was like a dollar store cubes. So, and then your favorite, when did you start cubing? In December. Favorite speed cuber, I already told you, Felix Zemdex, I can't pronounce his name. Favorite YouTuber, I think you are not asking about YouTubers, you are asking about YouTubers. So I probably say Mr. Beast. He's nice and he always smashes laptops. And then on the anonymous cuber from Instagram asked, when did you start cubing? And in December. That a lot of questions. And at last, I would like to answer another question from Cuber Asian. And I don't have actually the photo, the comment photo of that. That's a reason I couldn't tell you guys. So for he asked that if I didn't produce cubing related content, then which type of content do I prefer to produce? I think many of you don't know that I had a gaming channel. Yeah, I had a gaming channel like 2 years before. I played PUBG on that channel, and that channel actually still exists, but I don't upload anymore. I last uploaded I think like 1-2 years ago. So that channel also exists today. Challenge for you guys that if you can find that gaming channel, then you will get something special from me. So try finding that channel. And then another thing I want to tell you guys before ending this video is that I made my subscriptions public, so anyone can see that. It may someone would tell that it is not showing, but it's YouTube sometimes glitches and these things. So I think after 2-3 days I think this all will be cleared, so you may see my subscriptions. So currently I have 129 subscribers. Let's see, and my goal is 500 subscribers till this end of this year. And share my channel and share this Q&A, and then I see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.